Right guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects. What? Yes, that's right, it's time. It's asset drop time. This is July's box. I'm still happy with the product, I'm still happy with the service that they provide. So we're going to turn the camera around right now and see what's in here. Nice one guys. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you subscribe to this, what you think of it. If you don't subscribe to it, also let me know what you think of it. Do you think the paints are any good? Let us know. And we're going to turn this camera around. Cheers. It's always an exciting time, open up these Asset Drop Discovery boxes. This is the core supply box. Let's get this bad boy opened. So as you can see, this is the guide, box number 10, July 2018. So as usual, we normally leave this till the end because we don't want to spoil anything. Let's keep that to one side. The little thank you sticker on the front, which I always hate ripping because it looks so nice. And then let's have a little look what we've got inside. Ooh, what's all this? So first of all, ooh, we've got some little Candyland Yums. That'll come in handy later. Little Sugar Rush. What's this here? Ooh. It's like some sort of pen. Oh, look, it's got a brush on the end. Well, we'll have to look at the guide to see what that is. Then I can see some Master Series paints, which are considered a very good paint company. So what have we got here? What colours? These are the core colour range. We've got blonde highlight, blonde hair, and blonde shadow. I'm guessing the shadow's in ink maybe. I may be wrong though. They're all water soluble. Shake well, made in the USA. I can't wait to try these out. My Space Wolves army are obviously based upon Scandinavians, Vikings, so they're mostly blonde and gingers, aren't they? So that should come in useful for them. Pop that to one side. Next, ooh, Cromlech. This is a weathering powder, soot black. Very interesting. I did not know that Cromlech did any sort of paint or weathering powders. I'm quite interested to use this. Let's focus a little bit. Got a bit of a glare off the light. You can use the Cromlech weathering powders to create a very realistic weathering on your models. Excellent for tanks and vehicles. Can also be used on infantry models and scenery. You can use it straight from the pot or mix it with water, mediums, varnishes, white spirits, or liquid acrylic resin. All Cromlech weathering powders are made from natural, non-toxic, non-flammable materials not suitable for children. Each bottle contains approximately 30 ml of pigment. So this is a pigment powder, yeah? Yeah, it is. Let's have a little look inside. Can you see that? Looks quite interesting. Can't wait to try and use that. I believe with pigment powders you have to seal it. See? Quite thick, isn't it? Quite dense, pigment density. Very good. So you learn things new every day. Coat d'Arms paints next. Now these were the original Citadel paints. This company did the original Citadel paints in the 80s and early 90s. So we've got a yellow ink wash and a ink flesh wash. So that'll come in handy. So I'm guessing they're going to be used alongside these in the painting tutorial in the guide. Now I've never used a Coat d'Arms wash before. Quite interested to know how these are. Give them a good shake. Yeah, they seem very nice, to be honest. So we open up one up and see what it's like. Let's first get rid of this pigment off my hands. Whoa, that pigment's pretty dense. won't come off my hands. At least you know it won't come off your models as well. That's a good sign, isn't it, eh? Don't dip your finger in the pigment though, guys. Let's open this one up. Let's see what it's like inside and without spilling it all over the table. A brand new table. Oh wow. Look how vibrant that is. How dense the pigment is as well. Can't wait to try that out. Make sure the lid's sealed properly. We've got a little dropper pipette, which will come in handy. And then what's this? MRP. Never seen these before. See, you're discovering more paints and more brands. Deep red, fire orange and deep yellow. They look at the pigment density on them, very, very nice. And are these made in, say where they're made, suitable for plastic, metal, wood and resin, shaken until content is well mixed. You have to do that with most paints anyway. Slovakia, oh that's interesting. Paints from Slovakia, that is very, very interesting. I'll have to find some models to use these on. So let's crack out the guide and see what that says. Let's move this box out the way. Pop the paints here. And then we'll focus it in a minute. So, that's a drop guide. So we've got the Mr. Paint. Is that what it's called? Mr. Paint. Oh yeah, Mr. Paint. They retail at £2.50 each. They coat the arms, washes, they're £2.30 each, which seems quite a reasonable price to be honest. How big are these? 18mm, that's very good. Good size. The Reaper MSP, they're £3 each. Watercolour tank brush, oh, so that's some watercolours. Okay. This is such a cool invention from Watercolours. It's a quick and easy way to apply washes, ideal for batching your armies. Plus, I love gadgets. We'll talk more about how this works in the guide. And then Cromlech Soot Black Pigment. Also, one of the tutorials is how to paint flames, which is obviously the Mr. Paint's paint there. What else have we got? Painted flames, that looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Using soot. Guide on how to make soot. Making model soot, should I say. And tank brush 101. So here's all the information how to use that tank brush, which I'll have a little bit of that. Painting blonde hair. Looks good. It's very good, doesn't it? So they also donate to the Blue Marine Foundation. How much are these all worth in total? It says here. So good value is important to us. This box features £25.80 worth of miniature paints for just £19.90, which represents a 23% saving on RRP. That's not too bad, is it? So not only are you saving money in the paints, but you're also being introduced to new paints. I think it's great. Can't wait to use them. And my paint collection is getting pretty large now. So guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about it, and I'll see you later. Ciao.